Welcome to the SICO Ramp Assembly Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete setup of your SICO straight ramp system step by step. Follow along to ensure a smooth, safe, and secure installation. Step 1. Planning the layout. Before assembly, take time to review the layout for your straight ramp installation. SICO ramps ensure the slope follows ADA guidelines of 1 inch of rise per foot. Step 2. Setting up the upper clamp. Start by securing the upper clamp assembly to the stage or landing. Position the clamp firmly against the edge, making sure it is level. Tighten the socket head cap screws using the provided hex wrench. Step 3. Installing the first ramp section. The first ramp section is installed at the highest point. With 2 people, lift the ramp and align it with the upper clamp assembly. Secure it in place using the provided hitch pins. Step 4. Adding additional ramp sections. Continue adding ramp sections by aligning each one with the previous section. Secure each connection with the provided brackets and hitch pins. Ensure all sections are level and stable before proceeding. Step 5. Installing guardrails and handrails. Handrails and guardrails are essential for safety. Start at the top of the ramp and work downward. Align the guardrail mounting plates with the pre-drilled holes and secure them using M10 bolts. Insert a 10mm carriage bolt into the slot at the bottom edge of the ramp with the thread end facing up. Set the guardrail mounting plate hole over the carriage bolt and install a flat washer and 10mm nut. It may be necessary to lift up slightly on the guardrail for the slot at the bottom edge of the wedge ramp section to capture the square neck of the carriage bolt during the initial tightening. Install enter handles on the 2 ramp guardrails installed on the wedge bottom ramp section. Enter handles have the locating sleeve angled upwards. Insert the locating sleeve into the end of the handrail. Secure the bottom end to the guardrail post with an M10 by 1.5 by 60 millimeters, 2.33 inches hex head screw, leaving it a bit loose for now. Secure the top end to the handrail with a self-tapping screw, then tighten the hex head screw. Install another enter handle on the other bottom guardrail. Install exit handles at the top end of ramp guardrails. These are similar to the enter handles, except the locating sleeve is angled down. Insert half of the locating sleeve into the handrail tube and install a self-tapping screw to secure the sleeve to the handrail. A drill with an 8mm, 5/16 inches hex driver is required. The locating sleeve normally does not need to be disassembled when the ramp is taken down. Final check and safety verification. Before use, inspect the entire ramp system. Ensure all sections are securely connected, the handrails are properly installed, and the ramp is level. If needed, adjust the glides to stabilize the system. Your SICO ramp is now fully assembled and ready for use. If you have any questions, refer to your owner's manual or contact SICO Customer Care. Thanks for watching and stay safe.